Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today I have my little sous chef here, and we are going to be making steak tips that we're going to slow cook on the stove for about 2 hours. They are so good. They're soft. I cook them with onions, and the onions kind of just melt into the sauce. What we're going to do is we're going to thicken it later with some cornstarch, and you're going to have a wonderful gravy. So yeah, so let's get started. You want to help Mama?
Yeah.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep in the